Christmas, Bucars boys and girls. Today, I bring you the 10th day of Christmas sale. And on the 10th day of Christmas, Cringy Claus is bringing you the Faulkner folding bikes. Now, these are pretty quick. They're actually a lot quicker to set up than the tent we did 2 days ago. Go! Now you'll see how fast they can set up. Now, Peter here is an experienced bikeman. He might have the edge, but Doug has youth and enthusiasm. We'll see, but please stop on by. Bring a donation to the Airdrie Food Bank and say Merry Christmas.
I failed.